Alright, today I'll be explaining to you what is Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange in the sense that you don't need a third party to be able to approve a buy and sell of any token, as long as they are ERC20 tokens. So Uniswap enables you to trade one token for another, to exchange or to swap one token for another. So Uniswap today, I'm very sure that most of you must have benefited from the last Uniswap airdrop, which gave people a minimum of $1,000. They distributed, Uniswap airdropped 400 of their Uni tokens. Now there are more ways to earn more tokens between now and November. That's an information I will teach a selected few. Okay, but the information is also available if you're interested. If you're interested, just send a comment or send a DM to the number provided below, and then I will explain to you how to go about it. So you can earn more Uni tokens, but that is through what we call liquidity mining, and all that. But today I just want to explain, to just give you a brief about Uniswap exchange. So on the Uniswap exchange, you can access it via any non-custodial wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, IM token, for example. So when you get to your Trust Wallet, you go to the app section. The app section is the 4 boxes below. You click on it. Below you will see Uniswap exchange. When you click on it, it will load, and when it loads, this is what you will see exactly. Now there are 4 tabs on the Uniswap exchange. There's swap, there is pool, there is uni, and there is vote. So to simply swap, first of all, you have to have Ethereum in your Trust Wallet to be able to swap and get another token. Now, normally, some tokens that have given mad profit were first listed on Uniswap before they got to other centralized exchanges. So if you want to get some tokens ahead of time before it gets listed, you can buy them. You can buy them from Uniswap by funding your Trust Wallet with Ethereum, and you get the right contract address. Get the right contract address from the website of that token, and then you use it. You just have to simply put your Ethereum will show here. Put the amount of Ethereum you want to use and buy it, and then you click select a token, and you place your contract address here, and then it will load up. It will load up the token. When you load up the token, all you have to do now is you confirm it. Mind you that these days gas fees have become very expensive, so it's going to cost you some gas fee. So you put that into consideration also. So another tab of Uniswap, apart from swapping one token, swapping Ethereum for other tokens, is the pool. This is where the liquidity happens. Okay, and then the UNI, this is where you earn. If you're a liquidity provider, this is where you earn. And then the vote. Remember, Uni token is a governance token. So what do you think about this? Is very simple. Using Uniswap is very simple. The only challenge most people have is in the gas fee. And for those people that have not claimed their Uni tokens, you just click this dot here and click claim UNI, and then you paste your Ethereum address, and you can claim your own Uniswap token. So using Uniswap is very easy peasy. Just have some Ethereum in your wallet, and then the contract address you want to swap of the token that you want to buy, because some tokens get listed on Uniswap before they get to other exchanges. So this is a way to get it earlier on a cheaper price before they get listed on other exchanges. To just make sure you have the right contract address and make sure that the token you have is legit, because some tokens are not legit, so you might end up losing your money. So have you used Uniswap before? Do you have any challenges with Uniswap? Let me know. Click the number below, and then you can talk right to me or leave a comment in the comment chat box. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and you can also leave a comment. Thank you.